sounds nice, man. Keep going.
What?
Oh wait, you can't yet. We gotta tune it still.
Yeah.
Are we gonna tune it today?
Yep.
Sweet, that's what we're doing today.
Yep.
All right.
Tune it and test drive, hopefully.
Okay, cool. We could totally do that. So, how are we tuning it anyway?
I got a Unichip tuner.
Unichip?
Unichip Piggyback. It plugs into your ECU. You still keep the ECU, but it attaches to the ECU, and it rewrites the tune basically. So it's no longer the stock tune. Okay. And that'll run it with the 7 PSI that you have for the new wastegate. Yep. From what I understand, the Unichip has 2 tunes. One is basically a more efficient stock tune, and then there's tune A and tune B, and tune B is a upgraded stock. So
okay,
that's the one I'm gonna go with, hopefully, since I got all the fancy upgrades.
Yeah, hopefully, you know, it can make up for all the differences in airflow that we just made.
Yep, it's not quite stock anymore, so
yeah.
about as far as I can go without having to do internals.
Yeah, you're 100% right there.
Yeah.
Cool, so show me what this new tuning device looks like. Brian, what am I looking at right now? That is craziness going on.
This is the Unichip.
What are those? Right?
Yep.
For serious though, what are those?
It is the Piggyback Tuner.
Piggyback Tuner.
Made by Unichip specifically for the Mazdaspeed Protege.
Wow, okay.
They don't make them anymore, obviously, but
dude, this looks
back
like
in the day they made them.
This looks like a Nintendo cartridge type of thing. Like
yeah.
Back in the day when you couldn't connect up your Nintendo to your, I don't know, tube TV. Blowing it to make it work.
Yep.
Dude, what is going on? So this is clearly not OBD2.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean? We got some crazy, oh my gosh. Okay, cool. So this plugs onto the ECU.
Yep. You unplug your stock harness out of the ECU, then you plug this into the ECU, and then you plug the harness into here.
Okay.
Seems pretty simple. You got a ground wire and then this little contraption of switches. You got your power switch, your MapA and B,
okay,
and then a boost controller switch.
Oh, and everything's labeled.
Yep.
Cool, sweet.
I was informed by another Protege guy to not use the boost controller because it's not that great, but
okay, so we're not using the boost controller. This one says MapAB.
Yep.
And then the last one?
Just ECU power.
ECU power. So is it in the standard location, passenger side floor area?
Yep.
Okay, cool. So I guess we gotta take the ECU out first, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. So foot area right here. We have a whole video on how to take ECUs out of cars. It's right up here. It's in the same location, so check that video out up here. And we're gonna take that out now.
Yep.
Cool.
Got the plug removed down there.
Mm-hmm.
So you just swap out that plug for this plug.
Okay.
And then that will plug into here.
Okay.
And then you just tuck everything up to your liking. So that way you can put the carpet back in.
Okay.
And then for this ground, it looks like I have a nice ground wire right here on the side. I can ground it too, so.
All right. What?
It's got Ford emblems on it.
Yo. That figures.
You know, should we not run the Ford Falcon ECU?
Yeah. Okay. That one is in. Temporarily unplug these. Ground wires on. Alright, I'm just going to leave these out for now. Make sure everything runs right, and then I'll tuck these in later.
Okay.
I'll put them up here somewhere or something.
Alright.
See if it works.
Yeah, let's see if that works.
Let's see if it'll start without the ECU power.
Okay.
Maybe that's on. Can't remember what's on, circle or line?
One of them.
Let's turn it off and see if it'll start now.
That sounded stronger. But I mean, it was a second start, so. It's got a light. Light works. Doesn't always mean something though. I saw Mighty Car mods where they put a chip in there and the light worked. But
let's see, we got a check engine light. It's probably that same thing I had before because of the new exhaust. It runs, that's half the battle.
What's the code?
Yeah, same thing.
Okay.
O2 sensor.
Alright, well.
Alright. Shall we start off with MapA or MapB? Let's do MapA.
Yeah, cool.
Just to see, so we can feel the difference if MapB actually does anything.
Yeah, right. We want to see if it pulls harder, or hopefully it doesn't stall or anything crazy.
Damn, the freaking rotors are all.
How do you even get out? You're lower than you were before.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna check it.
See how low. Somebody was complaining about.
That's close.
Woo!
We're gonna make it though.
Oh wow. Yeah. Aaron. Yeah, the splitters. At least the splitters will protect the paint for now, for real.
And it's a little bit flexible, so even if it does scrape, it hopefully won't break off.
Yeah.
Getting into the driveway is gonna be fun.
Oh man.
We gotta hope the rockers won't scrape. What was that? That might have been the front of the rocker.
Possibly. Whew, that low life.
Them rotors that haven't been driven in forever.
Yeah, right. That sounds so good.
First gear actually blows off now.
Yeah, right? People are gonna know that this thing's boosted this year. Ugh, they're gonna know it's low too.
No scrapage.
Yeah, when you go over speed bumps at 2 miles per hour.
I'm just learning. Might be able to go over faster, we'll see.
Alright, well.
Alright, here we go.
Well, kinda. That's the big road we're gonna be pulling onto. It sounds so good.
Sounds a whole lot better.
Yeah, right? Yeah.
Feels kind of slow.
I mean, it sounds great.
Sounds good.
Yeah, so wait, this is supposed to be the performance one or not?
No, this is just the more efficient stock tube.
Okay, cool.
let's hit this red light, switch it over, and see what we got.
Yeah.
Didn't feel any hesitation though, so that's good.
You have to.
No boost leak. MapB on. Smoke it. Driving the WRX, so it's not quite as fast as that. But
yeah, it's difficult when you're driving two cars like that. But I don't know, that pulls hard though. It feels nice.
Yeah, it's smooth.
Yeah.
Before there was like hesitation in the boost. Now it just feels smooth.
As long as it's able to handle that exhaust, that's Is that your clutch?
No, there's something smoking. It might be that heat wrap still.
Oh yeah, the heat wrap. Shoot.
The heat wrap will smoke for a while.
Yeah.
Idle just dropped really low.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's see if we can get in the driveway.
Dude, you have so much skill. I can't even get in Ryan's driveway. I'm only a couple of centimeters lower. This is... Actually, mine's probably a couple of inches lower.
Let's see what's smoking.
Ugh, that smell. Ooh, yeah, there's smoke.
Thank
Ooh, yeah, that's... Ooh, smoke.
Yeah, it's just the exhaust.
Yeah, it's just the exhaust. Cool.
I hope.
Right? You got smoke bellowing from right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably just...
Yeah, it's just burning off all that coating that the exhaust come with.
Super awesome exhaust wrap going on.
Because that's definitely a little more yellow than it was.
Cool. Yeah, that pulls harder. I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah. So that is our tuned Mazdaspeed Protege5. And if you made it this far, you liked the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe, share with all your friends. We got so much more coming up. It's crazy. Awesome work, buddy. Woo! Oh.
Yeah, hopefully that actually did something.
Yeah, right?
Mills Garage. Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below. Share the video. And we'll see you next time.
You start it up again?
Manifold got a little golder.
Oh yeah. She was smoking, you could smell it.
Yeah, right.
I can smell it right.
I don't know if the ECU did anything, but...
Well, you're gonna take it for a test drive, right?
Yeah, we just did. That sounds so good. Ooh, that's the front splitter. Wow, that's low. That's low. Wow. Sounds awesome. Sounds awesome, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome, Mark.
Woohoo!
Woohoo!
How long did it take you to install that?
Not that, I mean, it's not 100% finished, but